If you wanna be my lover. Welcome to Jen's Jyugyou. My name is Jen, and today I'm going to help you improve your English speaking so that you sound more like a native speaker. Specifically, we're gonna be taking a look at the words wanna, gonna, and hafta, and how you can use them correctly to sound more natural. The first thing I want to mention to you about these three words in English, wanna, gonna, and hafta, is that they are excellent for speaking. When you are speaking English casually with your friends, they are excellent words to use. However, we do not use them in formal situations because it sounds unprofessional. We also do not usually write these words. Sometimes people might casually text them, but it's not normal to see them in writing. This video and these words are designed to help you improve your speaking in English. The first word I want to look at is wanna. Wanna is short for want to. So when you're speaking, instead of saying, I want to go to the theater, or I want to drink more coffee, you can say wanna instead of want to. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that students make using wanna is that sometimes they add an extra to at the end. There's no point in adding to at the end of wanna because wanna already means want to. I wanna go to the mall, not I wanted to go to the mall. That sounds really weird. The other big mistake I see students making is that after to, you need to have a base verb. Want to plus a verb. Many students will say wanna and then plus a noun, which sounds unnatural. Wanna is want to. I wanna eat some chocolate, not I wanna some chocolate. Also, when you're pronouncing wanna, most students don't have difficulty with I wanna, you wanna, they wanna, we wanna. But there comes a big problem if the subject of the sentence is no longer I, you, they, or we. Wanna means want to. But if your subject is he, she, or it, then in the simple present, your verb needs to have an S, right? You're using the third person verb. So he, she, or it wants to. Speaking very clearly, wants to. When I put them together, it can't become wanna, it becomes wantsta, wantsta. She wants to study. He wants to travel. It wants to sleep. Yes, this is a pronunciation lesson, but when you are speaking, you still have to think about grammar. So when you're thinking about the grammar as you are speaking, I, you, they, we, wanna plus your base verb. He, she, it wants to plus a base verb. I wanna travel. She wants to travel. I wanna sleep. She wants to party. The second word that we're gonna look at in today's lesson is gonna. Gonna means going to. But be careful, be careful. When we use gonna, when we are speaking, it only sounds natural to use it when we are speaking using be going to, the future tense, be going to. So this tense is formed to talk about future actions using subject plus your be verb, am, are, is, plus going to plus a base verb. You cannot use gonna to replace going to when you're using other verb tenses like the present continuous. For example, I'm gonna the library. I'm going to the library makes sense in English, yes. But when we're speaking, I'm gonna the library sounds very unnatural and not like you are a native speaker. If you wanted to sound more like a native speaker, I'm gonna study at the library, or I'm gonna read at the library. You need to use the be going to form. Put a base verb after gonna, otherwise just say going to. Another really big point for using gonna when you're speaking is again focusing on the subjects and the verb that comes after the subject before gonna. And based on what verb it is, the pronunciation before gonna changes slightly. I'm gonna eat. You're gonna eat. We're gonna eat. They're gonna eat. But when your subject is he or she, the verb that comes after he or she with be going to has to be is. Okay, so he is going to eat. When we want to say gonna, he gonna eat, he's, z. Make sure you get that z sound like a bee, z. Okay, he's gonna, she's gonna. He's gonna cook. She's gonna study. If your subject is it, it's s. Here, instead of the z sound, even though it's the same verb is, you're not gonna make it the z, you're gonna make a s sound. It's. Okay, so it's gonna. I'm gonna read. She's gonna read. It's gonna read. Since we've now looked at wanna and gonna, we have to look at hafta. Hafta is when native speakers say the words have to. The V sound in have to becomes like an F sound, have to, and we say it really quickly together, hafta. Oh, I have to study, my test is tomorrow, hafta. I have to. You have to, we have to, and they have to. But if your subject is he, she, or it, then you need to have an S in your verb in the simple present. He has to, she has to, it has to. When we put has to together, it doesn't become hafta, it becomes hasta. It rhymes with pasta. I have to pee. He has to pee. You have to subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou. After have to or has to, you need a base verb. Put a verb after it. So all my examples, you could hear a verb. Don't use a noun after using these informal contractions because it doesn't make sense grammatically. We've looked at wanna, wants to, gonna, have to, and has to. Before we finish today's lesson, I'm just going to repeat the pronunciation of each of those verbs with the various subjects so that you can make sure you are pronouncing the words correctly. And as we're doing this, keep in mind that we only use these informal contractions when we are speaking and speaking casually with people, not formally. Please repeat after me. I wanna eat. You wanna eat. He wants to eat. She wants to eat. It wants to eat. We wanna eat. They wanna eat. I'm gonna eat. You're gonna eat. He's gonna eat. She's gonna eat. It's gonna eat. We're gonna eat. They're gonna eat. I have to eat. You have to eat. He has to eat. She has to eat. It has to eat. We have to eat. They have to eat. Hopefully you enjoyed today's lesson, and these informal contractions, or some people call them reductions in English, will help you to sound more like a native speaker when you are speaking English with other people. And now it's time for question of the day. Today, I'm going to ask you 3 questions. What's something that you want to do? What's something that you're gonna do? And what's something that you have to do? Let me know your answers in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, you're gonna have to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any lessons. And give this video a thumbs up. Good luck with your English studies, everyone, and I'll see you in the next lesson. You're gonna have to check it out.